Have you ever tried opening charts this way to find trading opportunities? If not, you're probably spending way too much time on the slowest research method. Let me show you how to scan up to 100 symbols in one view. Let's start by opening the Pineify website. You can see the custom screener here. This time, we'll use Pineify's custom screener for a full market scan. First, click Login in the top right. After logging in, select the screener feature on the left. Pineify's custom screener is actually powered by TradingView data. Here you can see that stocks, crypto, or ETFs can all be placed in the same table for side-by-side comparison without opening each chart individually. We can see that there are already some built-in collections at the top. You can create your own or create a collection that matches your trading style. In each collection, you can add watchlist symbols up to 100 symbols per collection. Then you can save the sorting and so on. You can also specify the time period for each one and so on. Next, select indicators that match your trading logic. Pineify offers nearly 300 indicators. Yes, and we can display up to 20 indicators at once. We can create a daily momentum scanner, adding moving averages, RSI, MACD, relative volume, ATR, and a percentage trend score. We also support timeframes from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, up to 1 day, covering different time periods. You can also set the time period individually for each row's time period separately. Now, let's talk about how to sort the entire list. We can filter here. For sorting, we can sort from high to low, from strongest signal to weakest. Right, so this makes it easy to find the strongest and weakest signals in the market. The key point is not to use any single indicator as a buy signal, but to look for confirmation across trend, momentum, and volume. Then open the charts of stocks truly worth researching. Yes, clicking here will open the TradingView chart directly. If you want to stop chasing charts and build a more efficient, repeatable market scanning process, click the link in the description to try Pineify's custom screener. And you can create a screener like this too.